It's a pleasure to come your way with another cooking video. Today we'll be making my very special Ghana Abe Kati Konto. That is banga, groundnuts and spinach soup. If you've been following me for a while, you will know that I prefer soups to stews. So most of my cooking are done spontaneously. So I have my frozen meat. It's not properly thawed on fire, and I added my blended onion, ginger and tomato paste to it. I forgot to blend my uncooked tomatoes with the onion, so that is what I am adding up now. From my experience, when you add the tomatoes raw to the soup, it doesn't make any difference. And I want to believe that our grandmothers were cooking it before because of the toughness of the skin. This is the most important part of the soup for me. So I'll make sure that the meat is very well seasoned. So I'll be stirring it intermittently for about 20 minutes. Hey, I am Team Natural. It is recently that I started adding ginger into my recipes, into my soup. So you can adjust the seasoning to your taste. You can add whatever seasoning you want. As that is going on at the side, I'll go ahead to prepare the rest of the ingredients for the soup. I stated earlier on that I like cooking on the spot because I prepped almost all my ingredients before time. So this is a palm fruit that I traveled with. So I added some lukewarm water into the palm fruit. I'll tell you the reason why I used a lukewarm water, beside the fact that I would be able to dip my hand in. I'll give you the other reason later on in the video. I've been cooking the meat or steaming it for a while, and I don't want it to be super soft. So I will take everything out of the pot before I will strain the liquid into the soup using a very fine strainer. The lukewarm water prevents the oil from getting stuck onto the colander, because even when it is more, you can scoop the excess palm oil, and that is what myself and my family use. We don't use the regular palm oil sold on the market. Look at the chaff in here. So the possibility that I would have gotten more of it in the soup if I had used the regular colander the second time is high. I added some roasted Idan fruit or prekese to the soup. After roasting it, I did not wash it. Someone asked me in the office, and I explained that if you wash it after roasting, you are going to lose the aroma that comes after that exercise. So earlier on, I added some blended turkey berries. You know me and turkey berries, we are like an inverted V with a bar in the middle. I'm kind of doing a cleaning up exercise in my refrigerator, so all the pieces of dry fishes I saw in the course of the cleaning, I summoned all of them into the soup. What I'm adding now is my prepped groundnut base. I will share the video. If I've not shared it yet, I will share the recipe with you. These things helps me to quicken my cooking process. So after about 30 minutes of the soup boiling giddy, boiling without formula, I have lowered the heat and reintroducing to it the meat. I am not feeling well, and because the YouTube algorithm doesn't grant a sick day off or a sick leave, I have to work. Guys, I woke up fit and well, but as the day got older, here am I, sounding like a faulty radio. The original plan for the soup was in Katibe, but I saw that I had this already prepped contomere in the freezer, so I decided to add it to the soup. And finally, this is the soup. The soup doesn't look green because of the amount of contomere I added, but Jimmy, trust me, it was so good. You could taste the palm nut, that is the banga, and the groundnut. For me, contomere doesn't have a peculiar taste, but then it's supposed to give you that color. Thank you so much. I know you have enjoyed every bit of this video. Let me know in the comment section whether you've tried this combination before. And is this something new to you? I want to know. Until I come your way with another video, my dear, keep hope alive.